Hey, welcome back to Fixing It Blind. Today we've got this little moped scooter. It's a little 50cc Ice Bear Trike. And this is a regular customer of mine. He's complaining of a no start. And he had said that he had pulled the seat off, and down there by the carburetor there was a hose that was broken. So it's probably got a severe vacuum leak that's causing that. So what we're going to do, we are going to go ahead and remove the seat, and then, sorry, I'm grabbing tools here. We're gonna go ahead and remove the seat and see what's going on. Now there's usually 4 10mm bolts down here that holds these seat buckets in. And it's kind of nice. They got their own tool holder built in. You just take the bolts out, leave them in the bucket. Now let's see if they put all the other ones back in. Yeah, all right. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 down there. All right. Now we can go ahead and just lift the seat and the bucket right out, and we'll just set her off to the side. Now, let me see here. All right, looks like the hose that he's talking about. Here, let me get you down in there. The hose that he's talking about, sorry, is right here. Now that's just a vent hose, so that one's fine. But we got to figure out what's going on, why she won't start. So, now these things here, it's just a little 50cc GY6 engine. This is a 4-stroke variety. It does have emissions, so it's California legal. Okay. One thing that's a common problem is this hose here will rot out, and this hose goes up to right back here, which you probably can't see, but underneath here there is a fuel shut off that's vacuum operated. Okay, and so when there's no vacuum, it shuts fuel off to the engine, and that fails a lot of the time. Another thing is the CDI box goes on them, or the coil goes and you lose spark. So that's what we're going to check next. Okay, so we got, what kind do we got? Okay. Don't have a tester for that style plug. So what we're going to do is we are going to take the spark plug, oh, come on now, jam a screwdriver in there and put it up here near the carburetor and see if we get a spark. Let's go ahead and turn her on. Okay, so we get spark. Sounds like we got some Sprague gears going bad. On the starter, they're little one-way clutches. Let's it roll one way, but not the other. Let's see. Where did this one go to? So we got another vacuum line right here that appears to be zip tied shut. It's got a little plastic end in it. So I'm wondering if maybe that is creating a vacuum leak and not letting it start. All right, I'm gonna go grab some spray. We're gonna give her a little squirt and see if she fires off. So we're just gonna spray straight into this little vacuum leak here. Can I come in this way? All right, so this little vacuum line, it had broken off, someone flipped it, and I don't know why, but it's got a little plug in it. So let's see if we can't figure out what it was supposed to connect to originally. Looks like it went down here. So there's that. You know, unfortunately, there is no manuals for these things. So you just got to kind of, you just have to dig in. That's why hardly anyone will work on them. I'm kind of starting to shy away from them because they're just garbage built. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take this line and we're going to plug it. What we're going to do is we're going to snip this portion off. Then we're going to plug it with this bolt here. They do make vacuum port block off things, but a bolt that's tight in here works just as well. Sometimes I even throw a little glue on them, but this is just to test it to make sure. If this is the solution here, then what I'll do is I'll go to the parts store and I'll buy those little vacuum block off things. All right, let's see. Oh, turn the key on. All right, that's the fix. So basically, I guess that was a pretty quick and easy fix. So basically what this is we don't know. Okay, this vacuum line goes somewhere, but it's not there no more. Can't track it. This other one here goes up to the fuel cutoff. And what I'm pretty sure was happening is this vacuum leak over here was stopping this one from getting enough vacuum to open fuel to get fuel down to the carburetor. And that's why when we gave it a little bit of spray, it got some RPM, which increases the vacuum and allowed fuel to finally flow. So that's our solution for this guy here today. He'll be happy. That'll be a nice, cheap, easy fix for him. All right, guys, you have a great day. If you have any other issues with these Chinese machines, you know, I got a Facebook group. It's called China Riders. Okay, it's made for Chinese equipment. Side-by-sides, four-wheelers, scooters, these trike things, you know, you name it. I can help you with it. If I can't help you with it, someone else on the group might be able to. I'll link it in the description, and also link to these caps on Amazon as well. Well, you guys have a great day. Enjoy your weekend.